Good morning, traders. I'm up a little late today. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing some code 1 trading, and I'm trying to figure out the code 2 right now, see what it is, and then we'll try to I don't think it's over with yet. We'll try to maybe hit something if we can. I'll be right back. By the way, I'm taking a look at the code 1. It looks very good today, so we should be able to do pretty good with that. Just calculated code 2, and it should be up. The code 2 should be saying it's mathematically calculated at going long off the code 2. So yeah, I'm gonna take the next code 1 entry, and we'll see what it says. If it says go long, I'll go long. If it says go short, I'll go short, and I'll try to hold it and see if I can't get a good trade off of it. Let me go, I'll take that. I'll be right back. A very tight, tricky code, though, this morning, off of the code 2. Very tricky little trade there. I still can't be sure about it, but it definitely looks to me like it's a code 2 long. And it looks to be mathematically confirmed as well. A long entry, meaning it's going to go up today. Go up higher than here. Yeah, go up higher than here. This is a very tricky day today. Okay, I'm definitely going to want to get long here. Looking for a code 1 entry. Stand by. I'll be right back. Okay, I just got a code 1 short entry. And so I have taken it short. And it's done this right next to the bottom here. So that leads me to believe it's going to go break below that bottom. We'll see. Let me go calculate the stop. Could be offset. I'll be right back. Got the stop placed at 43. Looks like it's going to be offset. I'll be right back. Let me take another entry here. Okay, it came up and hit my stop, and after I hit the stop, I took an entry to go long. So I am now long. It is giving a long signal off code 1, which is offset. So it should go up now, and code 2 actually mathematically says it's going to be up. So right here, right now, is the entry to take and to hold and go for, could go for 100 ticks here. Yeah, I go for 100 ticks right here. I'll be right back. Let me calculate the stop and place it. Okay, stop is placed at 34 for a 10 tick stop. Okay, I'll come back. Just going to let it go now, basically, for 100 ticks. Yeah, code 2 says it's going to be long. I just got a code 1 long entry. Should be good to go. I'll come back. Choppy day, though. As crazy as this may seem, code 2 is actually saying it's going to go all the way up here and break above this high. Amazing, isn't it? Sure don't look like it's going to do that, that's for sure. But who is going to argue with the code? You? Me? I don't think so. 34 stop. Held. Didn't go below. Came close, but it held. And now watch out. Here we go. It's going to shoot higher. It's going to go up. It's going to go all the way up and break above that top today. And you're going to start calling me the Houdini trader. How on earth could you possibly know something like that? Especially the way it looks right now. Does it look like it's going to go up and break that top right now to you? I bet very few people out there are thinking that right now. Imagine the power if you knew that. if you knew that in advance that it was going to go and do that? Can you make money from that? Here we are. Tight 10 tick stop. Going for it. Okay, this thing just came and got my stop. I am going to use code 1 on it and take an entry. I'll be right back. Okay, I have taken a long position here. It's a long entry off of code 1, unless it'll be offset, in which case I'd have to reverse position, which I may have to do because it's setting up to be one. I'll be right back. Okay, it's not offset, it's a confirmed code 1 long entry. So I am already long and have taken it, and we still have the mathematics of the code 2 saying go long. So I'm going to hold this position for 100 ticks. That's right, I'm going to hold this position for 100 ticks to make it up over this by 18 ticks and hit my 38 tick exit at 48.38 for 100 ticks today. Because I'm reading it right now and it says code 2 should be long. What it did is it double bottomed. And now we're going to move up for the code 2 trade. This is the power of knowing the code 2 and being able to read it properly. Okay, I'll come back, show you the progression, of course the outcome of this trade. By the way, today would be a pretty good day for free trading the code 1. Code 1 working very good today. It's not really offset today at all. It's a little bit, not really though. It's mostly right on target. So, good day for free trading the code. For those of you thinking that this could be a replay or something like that, let me just first state that this software doesn't have replays to it. Number 2, I can pull up the atomic clock here, pull it down for you. You see it's 8:27 a.m., right? And what does it say the time is there? It's like, 8:27, a little after 8:10, right? 8:10 in the morning, Pacific Standard Time. This is 8:27 a.m. Pacific Time. Okay? So this is what you're seeing. There's no replay here. You're seeing this thing tick away, and you're seeing the right time on the chart. There's no replay taking place. Everything I'm showing you is 100% legit. Okay? So don't let anybody, fool you here. I mean, it's I'm not trying to deceive you. I'm trying to open up your eyes. I'm trying to help you, not deceive you. Okay, I'll be back. You can see this thing's moving up, and it's going to continue to move up and go break that high, according to code 2. Now, would you like to learn code 2? That's my question to you. You want to learn code 2? I think if you're a trader, or you want to be a trader, that you definitely do. You need to learn the mathematics behind this and learn how to apply it properly and take trades and win some big trades. I'll be back. For those of you that belong to my charting service, I will explain today why and how I knew to take an entry there, that would be a code 2 trade for it to go and break up here. I'll explain, why that is, how I knew that mathematically to you, so that you understand and that you can figure these things out for yourself and be able to hit these trades for yourself. It's all about simple, basic mathematics. I'll come back. For those of you who'd like to see the world clock, I can show that to you. Here's the world clock and the current time of all the times in the world. 10:30 a.m. in Dallas, Athens, 6:30 p.m., Manila, 11:30 p.m., Seoul, 12:30 a.m., Singapore, 11:30 p.m., Tokyo, 12:30 a.m. You can see your time in here somewhere. Casablanca, 4:30 p.m. Everywhere's got a time. Everybody's got a time in the world, and this is what your time relative to Frankfurt, 5:30 p.m., relative to my time right now in Pacific time, Kuala Lumpur, 11:30 p.m. This is the time that you would be trading and trying to hit the code 2, and a little bit earlier, like a couple hours earlier even. I just came in a little bit late today. It's really early for me. Bangkok, 10:30 p.m. All the times around the world. And again, just to show you the atomic clock, it's now 8:31 a.m. Pacific time. And just to reiterate, this software, Global Zen Trader, going through global futures, does not have a replay on it. There's no way for me to do a replay when it doesn't have a replay. You can see CNBC here has oil at oil hits 4-month low on China route, supply glut. Nah, don't listen to it. It's 47.46 according to CNBC. Do it. Even if it comes down and hits my break-even stop, which I'll end up for a loss for a day, but rather just play it like that. Otherwise, I could just exit and leave if I wanted to. I'll come back. What an incredibly bad chart today. This is our range. Wow. That's crazy. Now it's going to come down and hit my break-even stop, which I'm going to take a loss for today. Whoever programmed this today has a very sick sense of humor, apparently. Just kidding. Well, it's not going to be a good day, that's for sure. Best case scenario, it'll pop back up here, like right about here, 75 or so, and I'll just take it and get out. It's basically the best case scenario right now. Otherwise, I'd rather it just come down and hit my break-even stop and just get me out so I can forget this trade, forget this day. Horrible day. That's got to be one of the worst trading days maybe I ever seen before. This choppy motion in a 45 tick range. Are you kidding me? I mean, that is some seriously bad trading. Choppy motion like this in a 45 tick range. Oh, all day long. Oh man, that's painful. This is painful right here, really bad. Oh, just watching it is painful. I just took one trade, well, lost the first one, but took one trade. Just been holding it. It's so painful to even watch it. Oh man, this is not a good time right here to trade. I hope tomorrow's not going to be like this. If it is, I'm going to have to caution everybody on the whole entire week this week. Heads up, man, they got some seriously bad trade taking place right now. Now, we may be at a bottom of a daily here and it's going to move back up. That's very possible, but for right now, it could be choppy for the next few days until that finally does happen. This is, watch out. Extreme warning. Red alert. This is the worst trading it gets, man. It doesn't get any worse than that. I'll be back. Okay, it just came down and hit my stop. I could have been following code 1, but what a horrible day. At least it's finally breaking out of the range. I have no idea what code 2 even. This is one of the most craziest days I've ever seen. Anyway, you know what I say? Can't win them all. I'll be back tomorrow to do more trading, demonstrating the power of the codes and the power of code 2. Today I'll track it, attempt to see what it is, although, oh man. But I'll analyze it mathematically and see if I can see it. And but anyway, we'll just keep tracking it, keep doing the best we can, keep trying to hit it every day. And it'll definitely get a whole lot easier than this. I would say this is the hardest day I've ever seen. Let's hope tomorrow it won't be so bad as this. I'll be back tomorrow.